Did you know that lizards can survive attacks from birds of prey? Well, there's one particular lizard that can. It's called a choquala, and it lives in the deserts of North America. And it has a very special adaptation that allows it to do this. See, when a bird tries to eat them, they basically play dead. They lie still and they're like, hey, I'm just a little lizard, please don't eat me. And the bird, thinking that it's an easy meal, goes in for the kill. But then the lizard grabs onto the bird's tongue and rides it all the way down. And then, once they're in the stomach, they use their claws to slash and tear at the stomach lining, basically ripping themselves free. And then they run away, escaping through the bird's throat.